Hello 11th class. This is your subject Computer Science chapter 9. In this class we will discuss the solutions of your test. So question number 1 is what will be the output of following code? So this is the code. In this you have to write the answer. Here we are using string slicing. So it will start from 0 to 1. 2 is there but we will not include 2. So 0th position H will there and at 1 E is there. So the answer is HE. Now question number second, what will be the output of following code? So in this BA plus NA multiply by 2. So when this is a replication of the string. So when you multiply any string by any numeric value, so it will give the result according to the numeric value. So it will print NA 2 times. So the answer is BANANA. Now the question number third, in this you have to print the string one by one character, and after printing every character you have to put the hash symbol. So here the answer, this is the string and you have to print the hash symbol. Now question number 4, what will be the output of the following program? So this is the string, that is Hardik, and you have to convert it into uppercase. So this upper is a function. Here I have not used the AND symbol, and here only one print statement. So every print statement print the character in next line, so that the every letter comes in next line. So this is the answer. Now question number 5, what will be the output of the following code? So this is the string, this res is the empty string, and for I in range length of str. So this loop will run ith to the length of the string. The length of the string is 5. So then res plus this empty string plus str of I. So in empty string every character is just concatenated with this variable res. Then you have to print the value. So it will just give the as it is string, because here we are just putting the every character in the empty string. Now next is what will be the output of the following program. Again A is equal to hello and B is equal to Virat. So this loop will run till the length of A. Now you have to print A of I and B of I. So it will take one by one character of this string and then it will print in vertical way. So this is the answer. Now question number 7. Question number 7 is also very simple. In this we have used just only concatenation operator and the replication operator. So this is the answer. Question number 8. You have to count Okay, now question number 8. Here you have to count the total number of letter, that how many letter you have found. So if letter is equal to L, then it will increase the value by 1. So here the letter L comes 3 times, so it will give you 3 letters found. Now question number 9, what will be the output of this following program? So it will check whether the string is alphabet or digits. For that it will, if it is alphabet, then it will just back. If it is alphabet, then it will just print the letter that is before that particular character. Now if it is digit, then it will replace by the hash symbol. So this is the answer. Now question number 10. Write a program to count the number of vowels in a string. It is of 3 marks. So this is the vowel. These are the vowel. You have to ask it from the user. Then vowels is initial value of vowel is 0, because we have to count it. Now for I in string, so it will check all the letter whether uppercase or lowercase. Then it will count the value of vowel, and the value of vowel is initial value is 0, and when you will write this in if statement, then it will just increase the value of vowel by 1. Question number 11. Write a program to take a string and replace every blank space with hyphen. This is also very simple question. Here you have to use the method string replace. Okay. So by this method you will change the string. I hope these questions are clear now. So you have to make correction in your test. If you have any query, then please ask. So thank you and have a nice day.